we're back for Angry Birds Blast Island after I had a blast on the Gorillas of Fly. Let's go. Frick. Hey, music. I need to go to level 11 because 11. Look, that's water. We're on top of water. And then we go on grass. Technically, level 10 is the first grass level. But all we need is just for the level thing to touch grass. Yep, I know. Boop. Dave Filoni is a good person. Can I skip this? That's heaven. Dun 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 dun. Ba ba da da ba 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 da. Ra ba 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 da. Ra ba 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 ba. Da 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 da. Ra da da da. Oh my God! Ba ba ra ba 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 ra ba ra ba ra ba. Level 4. Start, yes. Thank you, guys. There's gonna be a freaking redbird thing. Yo! Redbird thing. Cool, so we get a present. What's that present? Unlimited lives. Dang 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 dang. Barang barang bam 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 bam. Barang barang bang 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 bang. Barang bang 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 bang. Barang dang dang barang dang dang barang dang dang. Dang barang dang 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 dang. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Dun 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 dun. Children. As you can see, level 10. Okay, this video is gonna be our timer. So 4 minutes something seconds. Oh, I think I need to break some glass. Oh, that's like Angry Birds Match 3. They are literally just stunned. They can't do anything now. Oh, you did. And you also did. You bite! Yeah! So, yep, that's it. Level 6. 7. Unlock, start the level with a bomb. Let's look at my little bomb. Over there. Let's double bomb this. Yo, I just double bombed. Oh my god! Oh, the pigs are dead. The pigs are so dead. The pigs are so dead. No way they're gonna stay alive. The pigs. Oh my! I just merged a triple power up. Boom boom. That's what we call big pigs. Those pigs are so dead. 7 completed. Level 8. Oh my god, guys. Break wood. Break wood by wood. How is wood? Oh wait, I thought that wasn't done. Hey, puzzle piece. What?
Wow!
Oh, die.
Excellent!
Come on. And everyone is dead. Boom, 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 boom. Wait. See the menu button right there? Events. No, I don't care. Oh, that's a lot of wood.
Wow!
Okay, what happens to those two? I mean three. And every single piece is eliminated. Get an egg out of hatchling, baby. Guys, look at that. Level 10. We are right now on grass. On top of grass. But we need to complete it. But I'm gonna complete this. I'm gonna complete it so that it counts. Some birds have already gotten out of their balloons. Anytime these birds are located next to the balloon, they will them for you. Pop the red balloons. Oh my god!
Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Where's Red? Did I just brutally murder Red? No way I just brutally murdered Red. And now Chuck is also gone. Let's get that. Boo. Yes. Rocket. Huh. Good. They're back. Boom. Boom, boom. 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 Red. Yellow. Yeah, baby! What is gonna happen to the blues? Or are they gonna survive the fucking massacre? Nope, they just disappear. And now look at this. Red is touching grass. So where does this go, by the way? Oh my god, it's an airship. So we're like an airship and it leads to a beach. But that's it, we have touched grass. Ooh, remind me what Angry Birds game is next. Just scroll down. Okay, cool. Dream Blast might be the hardest of the bunch. Maybe, might be is what I said. Actually, it's what she said. Hi there, blah, 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 blah. I don't see a lot of green in this game. Oh, that's already green. 25 million. Seriously? Oh my god, red, my boy. This is like Angry Birds Journey. Like that, more like Cute Cry style, but match 3. Frick match 3, man. Frick match 3s. I hate match 3s to the bottom of my soul. Yep, I need red. That's it. Red. Bigger red. Now blah blah blah. Oh my god. Bubble bubble. Attack. There. Okay. Yep. Sit. Red. 2 reds. Oh, and 2 chalks makes a bomb. Let's try to make 2 reds. Now I need another 2 reds. Another chalk, but not on top of the chalk. Come on. Come on, bro. The 2 chalks. I need it to happen. Bomb! And that's all the fucking birds in the game made. And I have no moves left. Frick yeah, baby. I feel like there's no grass in this game. Oh my god, and a wonderful world. And that is green stuff. There are green stuff in the freaking world. Holy crap, that's an avalanche of balls. They are touching grass. That means we are gonna touch grass. Yeah, baby, we're gonna touch grass in Angry Birds Dream Blast. It's not that hard after all. Oh. They're being kidnapped by the balls. Yes! What is this? Another cutscene. I just want to play level 4. And look at that! Touch grass, baby! I touch grass. That kid touched grass. Touch grass too. Everyone touches grass under Geison's rule. And that's it. That's it of the Birds of Grass. That's it. Birds of Grass is finished. Birds of Grass, the all-knowing series, the longest series here, excluding Angry Birds Kingdom, has finished. And Angry Birds Go can't do it. And now finally Birds of Grass is over. Whew.